Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So I'm really excited to do this air fryer recipe for you today. One of my all-time favorite appetizers is air fryer pickles. I love, love, love anything dill pickle. So I thought I would share this recipe with you today. I've been experimenting with different recipes, putting together a bunch of different flavors, and I think I came up with the perfect one for, at least for me. I love the taste of this. It's got a nice little kick to it, and I think you guys will enjoy it as well if you like a little bit of spice and you like dill. So I'm going to go over quickly the ingredients that I am using for this recipe. Okay, so first thing is flour. We're going to use some Panko Breadcrumbs, granulated garlic. You can also use garlic powder. I usually use this all the time, but garlic powder is fine. Cayenne pepper and Cajun Seasoning, one of my faves, and a little bit of Paprika, freeze-dried dill, and 2 eggs, and some kosher dill pickles. Now these I get at Aldi. I love their kosher dill pickles. But you can use any kind that you want, but I am using those. So let me turn the camera around and let's get started. All right, my friends, we are going to start with a couple of pickles. We're going to slice them up a little. You could cook them, bread them and all just like this, but I want to slice them up just a tad bit more. Actually, go ahead and do 4 of these, obviously equals 1 pickle. So we're going to go ahead and do 8 slices, which would be 2 whole pickles. So as you can see, they're cut in spears, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and cut them down a little bit more, where they're a tad bit smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the spears down in half. And this one's a little bit thicker than I want, so I think I'm going to cut that one down again. There we go. Like I said, I'm just cutting it right in half. Okay, as you noticed, a couple of them were a little bit wider, so I cut it in thirds instead of half, just because they were a little bit wider than I'd like. So here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix up all the other. All right, my friends, so first I'm going to start with, I have 3 of these pans. So in this pan here, we're going to go ahead and put in about 1/2 cup of flour. That, and then we're going to go ahead and put in 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Now I'm going to put in 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And I am doing 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Excuse me. And then I am doing 1 heaping teaspoon of freeze-dried dill. And I'm going to go ahead And mix this up really well. Now, I like my pickles a little bit on the spicy side. If you don't, I would just stick with 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. I did end up going with 2 just because I like a lot of spice. They're not like, it's not like burning your mouth, but it's got a nice little kick to it. Okay, so we're going to put this aside for now. Excuse me. And now we're going to take another pan and we're going to break 2 eggs. As you can see, my eggs already are a little bit broken. I went to sit it down off on the side and dropped the pan and broke the egg. Yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and crack that egg and put that in there. Like I said, this one has a crack too because I dropped the pan. So we have 2 eggs here. Let me just wash my hands real quick and then we'll mix it up. Okay, I have my handy dandy little whisk. And we're going to go ahead, whisk together these 2 eggs. Oh, sound. Alright, we're going to put this to the side. And now my last pan, I only have a little bit of Panko Breadcrumbs left. I think it is just enough that I'm going to need to coat it. You probably want to use a little bit more than this, but like I said, I didn't have much left. I probably only had about 1/4 of a cup. You definitely want to do maybe about 1/2 of a cup. And I think I am going to do a little bit more cayenne pepper in here. Okay. So now let me just clear off the counter a little bit and then I'll show you the next steps. Alright, so now I'm going to take my PM spray. I'm going to go ahead and just spray the basket so it doesn't stick. Then we're going to go ahead and start with our pickle. I'm going to put a couple in here. We're just going to put it in our flour first and with our seasoning. Turn that over. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and put it in the egg. We're going to do both sides, all the way around. Do both of them. Okay, after we take it out of the egg, we're going to go ahead and put it in the Panko Crumbs. Go ahead and put it right there on our air fryer tray. Alright my friends, so now I'm ready to put them in the air fryer. And first I'm just going to take my pan and just do a quick light spray over them just to help them crisp up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put them in the air fryer. We are going to hit air fryer. We're going to cook this on 400 degrees. We're going to start at 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over and do another 5 minutes. All right, my friends, we are 5 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead, just kind of flip these over a little bit. Yes, this is hot. They look like they're coming along nicely. I think, just to be on the safe side, I'm probably going to put them in for about 4 minutes, just so I don't burn them. So we're going to go ahead and put it back in. We're going to go ahead and keep it at 400. Then we're going to put in about 4 minutes. I can always put it in longer, so we're going to start with 4 minutes, and then we'll check it when we're done at the 4. All right, my friends, 4 minutes is up, and I think that is just the right amount of time. Oh yes, 9 minutes total. Oh, friends, look at those pickles. Look at those pickles, friends. Let's get these plated up so we can enjoy them. Friends, look at this. Does that look yummy or what? And what I have here, I do not mix my own sauce up. I just use the Chick-fil-A sauce. I love the Chick-fil-A dipping sauce. It is so yummy with the fried pickles. Look at that, friends. Oh my goodness. So delicious. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you decide to make it, please leave me a message in the comment section below. I would love to know what you think of it. As I mentioned before, I did use quite a bit of Cajun seasoning because that is my favorite. You can cut back a little bit on that if you don't like it spicy, but it's not like over the top crazy spicy. You can adjust those ingredients to your liking. It's not a problem. And this is just so delicious. And like I mentioned before, I like the Chick-fil-A sauce for my pickles. I think it is so good. Oh, friends, excuse me, it was delicious. Just the right kick. I love, love, love this. I hope you guys had a great time. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, as it does help me out. Don't forget to hit that little like button, because that way you'll be notified every time I have a new video coming out. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye, friends. I'm gonna enjoy these pickles.